In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create landing pages for ads on WordPress.com. A landing page can be a crucial tool in converting visitors into customers, especially when used effectively in advertising campaigns. So let's dive in and create a landing page step by step. First, you'll want to head over to WordPress.com to log in. This is the first stop whenever you're working on your WordPress site, as it allows you to access the admin dashboard where you can manage and edit your site. If you haven't already signed up, you'll need to do so to gain access. Simply enter your login credentials and click on the Login button. Next, find the WordPress homepage. This will generally have options that describe everything you need to build your website. This homepage is your gateway to an array of robust features that WordPress offers. Once there, move to the URL bar and type in localhost WordPress WP admin. This is your admin page and is the central hub for all your website management activities, including creating new pages. Once you're in the admin dashboard, look for the Appearance tab on the side menu and click on it. This tab is where you can control the look and feel of your website. Themes and templates play a crucial role when it comes to designing effective landing pages, and this is where you manage them. From the Appearance menu, you'll want to select the Starter Templates option. Starter templates offer pre-designed layouts that serve as a valuable foundation for building pages quickly, especially if you're using them for ads. Look for the option to Build with Templates and click on it to further refine your theme selection. A popular choice for editing and designing on WordPress is Elementor, so go ahead and click on it. Elementor allows for drag and drop editing, giving you more freedom to customize your site without needing any coding knowledge. In this way, you can swiftly make your landing pages look exactly how you envision. Within the Elementor interface, use the search box to type in landing page. This will bring up a variety of pre-designed landing page templates. Choose a template that best aligns with the goals of your ad campaign. The right template sets the tone and engages your audience effectively, which is crucial for converting visitors. After selecting your preferred template, click on the Customize button. This will give you editing capability on your chosen template. Start by clicking on the site logo to personalize your landing page with your business or campaign logo, enhancing your brand's visibility and consistency. Finally, you can customize the content to fit your specific requirements. Tweak texts, images, and call-to-action buttons to ensure they effectively communicate your message and entice your visitors to take action. The flexibility here really allows you to tailor every element, ensuring your landing page delivers the right impact. And there you have it, a fully customizable landing page built directly in WordPress that is perfectly suited for your ad campaigns. With these tools and steps, you can create engaging, effective landing pages that support your business goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.